I think conferences of this type, particularly with a lot of remote working, are a reminder of the value of face-to-face contact for building relationships, for networking and sharing ideas, and for a bit of socializing in a great and vibrant city. Whenever we think about doing a Chevin conference, whether it's in North America or in Europe, we're thinking about locations that have a level of vibrancy, interest and passion. So we were delighted to choose Memphis and Liverpool as twin cities that share a real passion for music and a real history and vibrancy, and I think that really reflected in the way that those two conferences played out.
Oh God, I've loved meeting everybody. My gosh, it was so wonderful to meet the team and really also to meet a lot of users. You find out so much more information about how they use the system and how we might be able to incorporate some of that and think a little bit differently. So God, it's been eye-opening. If you have any desire to learn how to enhance your product, to enhance anything for your fleet, like this is a must. You gotta come.
I would recommend the conference to other users, and that's just because it allows you to hear other people's views on how they use the system, but then also hear about the new kind of avenues that Chevin are taking the platform and trying to push it even further. I had a Ask the Expert session this afternoon, and there's a little part of this software that we can utilize. Actually, it's going to save kind of like 5 man-hours a week. Now, if you base that over a year, that's going to be a big saving.
It's extremely well-rounded between the networking events, networking with other fleet professionals in the same industry, different industries. Ask the Expert has definitely been a hot topic and very useful. And then just the breakout sessions, the product advisory board, providing input to help grow the software into the next level. The conference gives you visibility over the company and the roadmap and where the software is headed.